Today we talk about how can you find your workout routine on your MyFitnessPal app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, you just go down, click here on more down here. When you click here on more, it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do now, you just go down here and you click here on workout routines here. Just click on it, so then it's going to take you to this list here. Then here you will find explore here. For exercise here, can you choose it, and here can you find your routines. So in this list, then here can you build routine if you want here. Just add routine name here and you click in this sign, then it's going to add video. So then here if you want to add planet volume or duration here or calories, so then you click here on add exercise here. Then it's going to take you to add your exercise in this list here. You search for it in this list, so then it's going to add video. When you're down, you just click in this sign to create video. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.